Hello students, today we are going to study water cycle. Here are some important exam related questions. Question 1. What is the water cycle? Answer. The water cycle is the continuous movement of water on, above and below the surface of the earth. Question 2. What is condensation in the water cycle? Answer. Condensation is the process by which water vapor in the air cools and changes into liquid water droplets, forming clouds. Question 3. How does condensation occur? Answer. Condensation occurs when warm air containing water vapor rises, cools, and then condenses into liquid droplets around tiny particles in the air, such as dust or salt. Next question. What role do clouds play in the water cycle? Answer. Clouds are formed through condensation and serve as reservoirs for water vapor in the atmosphere. Next question. What happens during precipitation? Answer. Precipitation occurs when water droplets in clouds combine to form larger droplets which then fall to the earth's surface as rain, snow, sleet or hail. Next question. How does evaporation contribute to the water cycle? Answer. Evaporation is the process by which liquid water on the Earth's surface, such as ocean, lake, and rivers, is heated by the sun and changes into water vapor, which rises into the atmosphere. Next question. What factors affect the rate of evaporation? Answer. Factors such as temperature, humidity, wind speed, and surface area influence the rate of evaporation. Next question. How does transpiration contribute to the water cycle? Answer. Transpiration is the process by which plants absorb water from the soil through their roots and release it into the atmosphere through their leaves. Next question. How does groundwater replenish surface water sources? Answer. Groundwater stored in underground aquifers can seep back into rivers, lakes, and oceans, replenishing surface water sources. Next question. What is runoff in the water cycle? Answer. Runoff is the movement of excess water over the earth's surface, often occurring after heavy rainfall and eventually flowing into streams, rivers, and oceans. Next question. How does infiltration contribute to groundwater recharge? Answer. Infiltration is the process by which water seeps into the soil and replenishes underground aquifers, contributing to groundwater recharge. Next question. What role do oceans play in the water cycle? Answer. Oceans are the largest reservoir of water on Earth and play a crucial role in the water cycle by supplying moisture to the atmosphere through evaporation. Next question. How does the water cycle regulate Earth's temperature? Answer. The water cycle helps regulate Earth's temperature by distributing heat through processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Next question. How long does the water cycle take to complete? Answer. The water cycle operates on various time scales with some process occurring over seconds or minutes such as evaporation and condensation while others take days, weeks or even years. Next question. Can human activities affect the water cycle? Answer. Yes, human activities such as deforestation, urbanization, agriculture, and pollution can alter the natural balance of the water cycle, leading to change in the precipitation patterns, runoff, and groundwater recharge. Next question. How does climate change impact the water cycle? Answer. Climate change can intensify the water cycle, leading to more frequent and severe weather events such as storms, floods, and droughts. Next question. What are some ways to mitigate the impact of human activities on the water cycle? Answer. implementing sustainable water management practices, protecting natural ecosystem, reducing pollution, and conserving water resources can help mitigate the impact of human activity on the water cycle. Next question. How does the water cycle support life on Earth? Answer. The water cycle provides fresh water for drinking, irrigation, and sanitation, supports diverse ecosystem, and helps regulate the Earth's climate. Next question. What is the role of ice and snow in the water cycle? Answer. Ice and snow store fresh water in polar ice caps, glaciers, and snowpacks, releasing it gradually into the water cycle through process like melting and sublimation. Next question. How do clouds form? Answer. Clouds form when water vapor in the atmosphere condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals around the microscopic particles, creating visual clouds in the sky. Next question. What are the different types of clouds? Answer. The main types of clouds include cirrus, cumulus, and stratus clouds, each with distinct characteristics and formations. Next question. How does altitude affect cloud formation? Answer. Cloud formation is influenced by altitude, with high altitude clouds, cirrus, forming at higher elevations, and lower altitude clouds, stratus, stratus forming closer to the Earth's surface. Next question. What is the significance of the water cycle in agriculture? Answer. The water cycle is essential for agriculture as it provides moisture for plant growth through precipitation, irrigation, and groundwater recharge. Next question. How does the water cycle impact weather patterns? Answer. The water cycle influences weather patterns by regulating humidity, cloud formation, and precipitation, which in turn affect temperature, wind, and atmospheric pressure. Last question. What role does the sun play in the water cycle? Answer. The sun provides the energy needed for evaporation, driving the water cycle by heating the earth's surface and warming the atmosphere.